Hey guys, this is me again, and yeah, here is the updates of the all-engine skill engines. First that we have is Thomas. He still have his face still. Yeah, the face is not fit for that, but I think that's okay. If they're gonna update the actual classic face, but I don't know. So I add the buffers, just like in the series. I might add the details of the whistle right here, but maybe. Just, yeah. I also add the buffers in the back, bottom. Yeah. So we have this Percy next. I also did the same thing. Nia as well. And there's Kana. Well, she doesn't have details on her front, but she did have details on her back. I also had to add the buff as well. I also add the black one as well, so yeah. And finally, Diesel. Diesel has this coupling, black coupling thing right here. And yeah. So, what do you think about this Orange Gold Trackmaster? So, yeah. So my life is complete with the Trackmaster Orange Gold. So I'm not sure I get more, so yeah. Probably in the future. So, goodbye.